Hello, children. So, today we'll start up with the lesson 2.5, that is autumn. And you know very well that autumn is actually a season. Now, this poem was originally written by Kalidas, but the poem was so beautiful that one of the other poet translated it into English. So, it is translated by Professor A.W. Ryder, but originally it is written by the Indian writer, that is Kalidas. So here we are going to read about the beauty of autumn season. And to show the beauty of autumn season, the poet has compared the autumn with a beautiful girl. That means he wants to say that as a young girl looks very beautiful, slender, graceful, in the same way when autumn season comes, the autumn season also looks very graceful, very cool, very soothing. So here the comparison of autumn season is done with a young beautiful girl. So let us see how he compares and describes autumn. The autumn comes a maiden fair. Maiden fair means a young, beautiful, unmarried girl. So he says that autumn season is just like a maiden, is just like a beautiful, unmarried girl. In slenderness and grace, just the girl who is very slender. Slender means very thin, slim. So the girl, as he has compared it with girl, so he says that the girl who is a very young girl, she is slim and very graceful. In the same way, the autumn season is also very graceful. With nodding rice stems in her hair and lilies in her face. So when this young girl moves, she has put rice stems in her hair and her face is as bright as the lilies. So he has compared these two things with the girl, but in short, what he means that whenever autumn season comes, the rice start blooming well, the rice grow well, the rice stems come out, and they look. Means you can say that the rice is almost going to be ripe, and you will find lily flowers. Lily is a flower. You will find lilies all over growing. I mean, you can say like growing all over. So that is what he compares here the autumn with the beautiful girl who is very slender, very graceful, has rice stems in her hair, and her face is as bright as lilies. But in short, he means that when autumn season comes, it's a graceful season, and the rice stems grow very well that very time, and the lilies are found everywhere. Next stanza, same stanza, children. In flowers of grasses she is clad, and as she moves along. So again, he continues to describe autumn just like a young girl, and he says that the young girl, she is cladded. Cladded means put on the cloth. She has put on the cloth of grasses, and in between the grasses there are many flowers growing. So that is what he says, that she is wearing the dress of grasses which is full of flowers. So what does this line mean? This line means that when autumn season comes, you will find the grasses growing, and in between the grasses you will find beautiful flowers blooming there. And she moves along. So the lady, that girl, she is moving along. In the same way, autumn season also is moving ahead slowly, slowly. It is passing by. Birds greet her with their cooing glad. So as this girl is moving ahead, the girl is greeted by the birds. Cooing means the singing. Glad means happy. So the birds are happily singing for this beautiful maiden. And the song of the bird is compared to what? It is compared like a bracelet's tinkling song. So when the birds sing, which type of a noise comes out? The noise which comes out from the bird's song is just like the tinkling sound of the bracelet, the bracelets that we wear in our wrist. So he says that the tinkling sound of the bracelet is very similar to the sound which the birds actually make or sing about. So, in short, he means here that when autumn season comes, the birds are also very happy and they keep on singing. One reason can be, children, because during monsoons, after monsoon only we have autumn season. So, during monsoon season, the birds are very, very fed up with the rain. They don't have any shelter to go. But as the monsoon has gone away, so now they are free, they can fly, they can sit on the tree, and there is no fear of rainfall. So they coo gladly. That means they sing very gladly, and the song of the bird is compared to the tinkling of the bracelet. So these two stanza which I taught you just now, this is the description of autumn during daytime. In daytime, how does the autumn season look? And now the stanza that I'm going to teach you is about the description of nighttime in the autumn season. So how does the night look in autumn season? Here the description goes. A diadem adorns the night. Diadem means a crown. Crown that is worn by the king. So he says that the night looks as if it is wearing a crown. Crown of what? Of multitudinous stars. Multitudinous means uncountable. So it looks as if the night is wearing the crown of innumerable, uncountable stars. So it means to say, the poet means to say that monsoon season is over. As the monsoon season is over, so there are no black dark clouds. The sky is completely clear, so you can see the beautiful stars during autumn season. So that is what he means, that during night the autumn season, it looks during night in the autumn season, it looks as if the autumn is wearing a crown of multitudinous stars. Her silken robe is white moonlight, set free from cloudy bars. So that is what I meant, cloudy bars. Now there is no cloudy bars. There is no cloud at all, because the monsoon season has passed away, and now we have a clear sky in autumn season. So as soon as the autumn season starts, you will see the sky clear, full of stars, and the moon also, it comes out very clearly because there are no black clouds to stop the moon. So when the moon comes out, the moonlight also seems very white. Beautiful white moonlight comes out, and it looks as if the night is wearing a silken robe. Robe means a gown. So when the white moonlight comes out, it looks as if the night is wearing the silken gown of white moonlight. So in short, he means to say that during autumn season, the night is totally clear, and there is no there is no clouds, so it is full of stars, and the moon can be seen very clearly. Even the moonlight which comes, it is very white, and it looks as if the night is wearing the beautiful gown made by this moonlight. And on her face the radiant moon, bewitching smiles are shown. So he continues to say that the moon also looks very radiant. Radiant means very shiny. The moon shines, and it looks as if the moon has a smile on its face. Bewitching means very attractive. It looks as if the night, in the night, the moon is radiant, it is shining and having a beautiful, attractive smile on its face. She seems a slender maid who soon will be a woman grown. So in the end, he says that when autumn season started, then autumn season was just like a slender maid, means just like a young unmarried beautiful girl. But as the time passes, the autumn will pass away. So in the same way, as the time passes, this young beautiful girl will turn into a woman, and she will look like a grown-up woman. So this is what is the poem Autumn. Beautiful description of autumn in comparison with the young girl. So I hope this poem is clear. It's very simple also, children. Just go through the video again and again so that you can understand it clearly. Thank you.